What's up, loves, and welcome back to the pack. If you're new to the channel, I want to thank you for coming. Also, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap on that bell so you can turn on all post notifications so you can keep up with the pack. So now, let's get right into this video. So, I finally got my kennels, y'all. I'm excited. I've been coming up with my little routine every time I do it. Of course, I do it differently because I find a different way or a better way to do it. First off, I want to say, don't mind my business about how many puppies I got in each kennel. Somebody already tried to come for me about that. And what I'm going to say is, I know it's too many puppies in one kennel, but if you feel the same way too, you can go ahead. My Cash App, my PayPal, my Zelle, whatever or however you want to send the money, those links are in the description box. You are more than welcome to contribute. Other than that, thanks for watching my progress, and continue to watch my progress because I'm only going to get better and better. I would also like to announce that since the making of this video, 2 puppies have been sold. That's the chocolate girl and the lilac girl over there in the food bowl. That's it for today's video. And as always, I want to thank you for coming to our channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap on that bell to turn on all post notifications. Y'all be blessed.